Hello everyone, I am Sumit Kumar, email specialist at falafates.com, and today I'm going to tell you how you can use our tool for your email marketing needs. So this is our homepage from where you can sign up or log into your account. To log in, you have to click here, and if you don't have your account by now, you can click here to sign up. It will redirect you towards a page from where you can put down your email, your mobile number and your passwords. Once you click submit and confirm your email address, your account will be created. After that, you can go into login, put down your username, your email address and your password and click submit. After submitting, you will get redirected to our dashboard, which look like this. First, I'm going to tell you how you can upload customer base. Here you can upload and manage all of the email or customer database. First, to upload your customer base, you will click here. You can add a tag, add a customer or upload a list of customer. By clicking here, upload a customer, it will ask you for a CSV file through which you can upload a multiple amount of customers at a single time. You just have to simply select the file here and it will upload all the customers for you. Once you upload all the customers, they will appear here. You can also add tag to them by just simply clicking here, and you can also filter them out on the basis of tag you provided them. Like we have provided different tags to our customers base over here, and you can segregate them according to that. For example, I will select the healthcare database by selecting the healthcare tag, and it will filter out all the people who belong to the healthcare sector for me. I can select this, and it will select all the data which belongs to the healthcare. Our tool has an inbuilt verification system which will separate out all the invalid emails, and all the invalid emails will appear here. Once you upload all of your customer, you need to proceed to the email template section where you can create your email templates. By clicking here, create a new email campaign, it will ask you for a title, and a subject line. After clicking submit, it will create tile for you which will appear down here. Once you click over that, you will get redirected to our easy to use email template builder. Over here, you can drag and drop different functions we provided you, like text, image, a button function, border text, HTML code, divider line, multiple images at a single time, image plus text, and social media icons. For example, if you drag and drop a text function here, it will ask you for text. Over here, you can simply edit the text or copy paste whatever text you want to put down here. This is a text, email text. After checking your text, click save and continue, and it will save the text for you. You can also add images by simply dragging and dropping image function, and it will ask you to upload an image. You can upload the images by simply clicking here, and they will appear here once the upload function is done. For example, I will select this one for now and click insert. It's going to insert that image for you. Here you can edit the alignment from right, center, or whatever way you want to do it. I will select the center, and you can also change the size of the image. I will find this one is okay. You can also put down the URL on the image from where you want to redirect your customer when they click over the image. I will put down our home page address over this. So after clicking save and continue, you can also put down the HTML function here, and it will ask you for the HTML code. So if you have your own HTML code template, you can copy paste here and all of the template related function will automatically appear here. After that, you have to click save and continue. You can also check your preview function here by clicking on preview mode, and it will show you a preview of campaign, that how your campaign is going to look like when it's going to land in the inbox. You can also send a test mail to whoever you want to send, a single test mail at a time, by giving a name or a preview text. You can also add social media icons and links to them. When you click over it, it will ask you for the links of your social media like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. You can also add another services like LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, your own website, WhatsApp, Snapchat or Quora. Once you put down all of your address here, click save and continue, and it will save it all thing for you. Once you complete your entire campaign, you have to select your customer base. When you click over there, it will redirect to the customer base. For this email campaign, I will select my email ID. Search for it. You can search for an email address over here like I just did. I will select my email ID. Once you select the email ID, it will ask you for send email. You can also select multiple email ID or a single one as per your choice or your preference. Once you click send email, it will ask you for the template you just built. Like this is the one we just built. I will select this one, and it will ask you for the number to send one mail here. Like because I just select single email, so it's asking me for one mail. And just next to it, it also show you the remaining balance, that how many emails you have left. So when I click on send one email, it will show me a preview before sending it. I can put down my preview text here. And from the name you want to send, so I will select the Fella Feeds, and from here you have to put the email address from which you want to send it. But before that, you have to verify your email address. Once you put your email here, you have to click on verify it, and you will receive a verification email in your inbox. Once you click on the verify email link, it will verify it for you, and you have to come back here, and after that you can send the email. So here it will showing me that send one email because I just selected single email. Once I click it, it's going to send me that email, and I can check that in my inbox. Once the email is sent, it will redirect you to the campaign report page, from where you can check all the report related to that campaign. Like here we just sent, it's showing me that email sent as 1 because we just sent on a single email address. We haven't put any URL in that, so it's saying the click is 0, and we haven't opened that campaign right now, so it's showing me that 0 opened it. But like the campaign we have sent before this, they are showing me that this amount of email we have sent and this particular amount of opened it to get on that. You can also click on view report for the detailed report. And in the detailed report, it will show you that what kind of response you're getting on that particular campaign. You can also check like different amount of links you are getting on your particular campaign. For example, like in this campaign we have put different amount of links, and it's showing you that how many links you are getting on individual clicks. So by observing that, you can also configure your future campaigns according to the response you are getting on your campaigns. So this was the demo of our tool. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a good day.